prophecy on youtube.com/harvestarmy. December 7th, 2011. While in prayer on December 2nd, 2011, the Lord revealed a tsunami-like flood coming upon the earth shortly. It begins at about 1 foot to 2 feet, then appears to worsen dreadfully. Much money is at risk of being lost in this calamity. Mankind must beware, repent and seek Christ. This is sure to happen.
Prophecy on youtube.com/harvestarmy. December the 14th, 2011. The Lord still reveals such apocalyptic flood in the Far East, that boats and other floatable concoctions are used to take people not remain at their homes and other places. Vietnam, other countries nearby in the region should take precaution.
I saw such a great flood, a tsunami like a flood. Just so gripping. It's just as gripping as when the Lord revealed the Japan earthquake. Gripping. It was so gripping that I had to call my wife immediately. And she was at church, and I told her, it's gripping. I see the flood coming. The flood is coming. A great tsunami like flood is coming. It's coming. And you know, floods can come, and tsunamis can come from several means. It can be from an earthquake, it can be from high tide, it can be from volcanic eruption under the sea, etc., etc. It can be so much rain that it causes such rise in water that it flows like a tsunami. But there is a great body of water coming. There's a great tsunami-like flood coming. And as I called and told my wife, it was about 9:30 roughly. And we quickly put it on the internet because it cannot miss.
Many would have been sleeping when the flash floods hit. Those who survived woke to find their homes destroyed, cars washed away, and members of their family missing. For some, it was too late.
We found 2 bodies here and 3 more over there. We're still looking for the bodies in the nearby village.
The waters swept through Mindanao province just after midnight. Torrential rain from Typhoon Washi was just too much for rivers to take. Eyewitnesses described seeing a wall of water up to 2 meters high.
Such rise in water that it flows like a tsunami.
It begins at about 1 foot to 2 feet, then appears to worsen dreadfully.
A wall of water up to 2 meters high.